Louise Hay. It's time for you to accept the money you want. Law of Attraction. Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join our community. Today, we've got something really special lined up for you. Whether you're looking for inspiration, information, or just a good time, you're in the right place. Make sure you're comfortable, grab a snack, and let's dive into today's topic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our exciting content. Imagine a life where your financial dreams aren't just dreams, but a vivid, tangible reality. The moment has arrived. It's time for you to not just chase, but unapologetically accept the wealth you've always desired. Why settle for less when prosperity is calling your name? Look into the realm of abundance and say yes to the money you want, the comfort you seek, and the life you deserve. Are you ready to open the doors to your financial revolution? Let's look into it. Every day, I open my arms wider to welcome the prosperity that is flowing towards me. I am a magnet for money. It finds me wherever I am because I am worthy of financial abundance. My actions create constant prosperity, and I am deeply aligned with the energy of abundance. I trust in the universe to send abundant wealth my way, and I gratefully accept it with open arms. With every breath I take, I am attracting more opportunities to increase my wealth. I am deserving of financial security and everything good that comes with it. My bank account grows bigger each day. I rejoice in the financial freedom it brings me. Wealth constantly flows into my life, bringing positive changes and financial freedom. Every decision I make leads me closer to abundant prosperity and rich opportunities. I am a powerful creator of my financial reality and accept abundant wealth now and always. My financial boundaries expand every day. I am not limited by my past, only inspired by my future. Prosperity follows me in all that I do. All of my endeavors are blessed with abundant wealth. Each day, the doors of wealth open wider, inviting me into a life filled with abundance. My mind is finely tuned to attract wealth, and my actions align with abundant prosperity. I radiate prosperity, and in return, life showers me with wealth in unexpected and generous ways. Financial abundance seeks me out and transforms my world in the most positive ways. I am financially abundant. My life is a testament to the richness I attract and accept. With grace and gratitude, I invite limitless wealth into my life and revel in the abundance it brings. My wealth is a force for good in the world, and I use my financial prosperity to effect positive change. The universe conspires to fill my life with financial blessings and abundant opportunities. Every morning, I wake up to new wealth and endless possibilities for prosperity. I am aligned with the vibrations of abundance and success, drawing them ceaselessly towards me. My financial path is clear and abundant. I walk it with confidence and joy. Prosperity is my birthright, and I claim it now with all of my heart and soul. As I affirm my worthiness of abundance, the universe affirms it back to me in the form of wealth. I am surrounded by wealth in all areas of my life and accept it wholeheartedly. My prosperity is growing exponentially, fueled by my positive actions and thoughts. I am financially secure and free. My life a reflection of the prosperity I embrace daily. Every aspect of my life is drenched in abundance, and I am thankful for the wealth I receive. I am a beacon for financial success and draw it to me naturally and effortlessly. Financial well-being is my constant reality, and I thank the universe daily for this gift. I am a master of wealth, skillfully navigating my path to financial abundance. My potential to attract money is limitless, and my reality reflects this boundless prosperity. I celebrate my financial successes and anticipate new opportunities for growth and abundance. My life is a beautiful reflection of the prosperity I believe in and attract every day. Wealth is my constant companion, walking with me at every moment and enriching my life. I confidently embrace wealth, knowing it is essential to my purpose and life's journey. Each day, I am grateful for the financial abundance that comes so freely into my life. I am the architect of my financial fortune, crafting a life of wealth and abundance with each choice I make. My relationship with money is healthy, strong, and rooted in a deep sense of abundance. Wealth flows to me in myriad ways, each one a blessing that enriches my life profoundly. I am worthy of great wealth and embrace the financial abundance destined for me. My life is a testament to the power of positive thinking and the wealth it can manifest. I accept and welcome wealth with a joyous heart and an open mind. The universe is generous, and so I experience its generosity through the wealth I receive. I am financially empowered and embrace the prosperity that enhances my life every day. Abundance is my default setting, and I operate from this mode in all financial matters. My life is filled with the riches of the universe, and I am open to all the prosperity it offers. I am constantly discovering new avenues to financial abundance and walk them with courage. My financial goals are within reach, and I pursue them with determination and confidence. The wealth I attract aligns perfectly with my highest good and brings joy into my life. I am at peace with having abundance and wealth. They are natural states of being for me. Every moment offers a new opportunity to manifest wealth, and I seize these opportunities with both hands. I honor my desires for abundant wealth by nurturing positive thoughts and actions that bring them to life. I celebrate every form of abundance that life offers, knowing that I am deserving of each one. My journey towards financial abundance is joyful and filled with rich rewards. I acknowledge my inner power to manifest prosperity and use it to create a life of wealth. I am endlessly grateful for the financial abundance that fills my life, knowing it is a sign of the universe's support. Wealth and prosperity are constants in my life. I accept and cherish them deeply. I am financially thriving, my life a vibrant tableau of abundance and prosperity. Every financial challenge is an opportunity for growth and a stepping stone to greater wealth. I am confident in my ability to manifest wealth and do so with grace and ease. My financial intuition is sharp, guiding me towards prosperous decisions and abundant outcomes. The energy of wealth is all around me, infusing my life with prosperity and abundance. I am a positive force, attracting financial success and using it to improve my life and the lives of others. My life is a canvas, and I paint it with colors of abundance and financial prosperity. I embrace the financial freedom that comes with great wealth and celebrate the opportunities it provides. I am in sync with the universe's rhythm of abundance, and it blesses me with immense wealth. Every cell in my body vibrates with the energy of prosperity, attracting wealth naturally. I am financially resilient. Wealth flows to me even in the most unexpected ways. My spirit rejoices in the abundance I attract, and I am humbled by the wealth that comes my way. I am a prosperous being, thriving financially and enjoying the fruits of my abundance. Wealth is my natural state, and I return to this state with ease and joy. I am financially blessed and express gratitude for the abundance that enhances my everyday life. Every step I take is a step towards greater financial prosperity, and I walk this path with confidence. I am in harmony with the universe's plan for my prosperity, and I welcome the wealth it brings. My life is a continuous flow of financial abundance, and I am adept at navigating its currents. I am financially wise and use my abundance to create a stable, prosperous future. My capacity for attracting wealth expands each day as I embrace my true potential for prosperity. I am open to receiving wealth in all its forms, and I cherish the abundance that each form brings. Wealth comes to me easily and naturally, enriching my life and the lives of those around me. I am a steward of wealth, managing my financial blessings with wisdom and gratitude. My heart is open to the endless possibilities of abundance, and I invite wealth into my life with joy. Financial prosperity is my reality, and I live every day in appreciation of this truth. I am aligned with the energy of wealth, and it fills my life with abundant blessings. My mind is a fertile ground for prosperous thoughts, and it grows rich with the seeds of abundance I plant. I attract financial blessings with every thought I think and every action I take. I am deserving of financial abundance, and I welcome it with a full heart and open arms. Wealth and I are old friends. We meet regularly and with great affection in my life. I am financially fearless, embracing abundance with courage and knowing it is meant for me. My prosperity affects all aspects of my life, bringing joy, stability, and abundance in abundance. I cherish my ability to attract wealth, and I nurture this skill with positive thoughts and actions. Wealth is my constant reality, and I thrive within its warm embrace. I am a vessel for prosperity, filled to the brim with financial blessings and abundance. Financial success is a familiar path, and I walk it with ease, attracting wealth at every turn. My financial journey is a prosperous one, marked by abundant milestones and rich achievements. I celebrate the financial abundance that is naturally mine, enjoying the security and opportunities it brings. Every thought of wealth produces tangible financial outcomes, and I am a master of manifesting prosperity. I live in a universe of abundance, and I am a prime recipient of its wealth and generosity. We hope these potent financial affirmations have inspired and motivated you as we conclude our investigation of affirmations that are meant to attract and celebrate riches. We invite you to use these affirmations in your daily routines, as each one is a step toward realizing and accepting the prosperity that is rightfully yours. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have these affirmations ignited a spark of motivation within you? If so, please share your experiences in the comments below. Tell us which affirmation resonated with you the most and how you plan to integrate it into your life. Your feedback is invaluable, not only to us, but to others on their journey toward financial abundance. Let's create a community of prosperity where we can all support and uplift each other. Comment now and join the conversation about turning financial dreams into reality.